have some noodles. It's called jjajangmen or men. Anyway, i-insert ko dito yung packet so you know what I'm talking about. And I have some tteokbokki with cheese. Here you go. And then fried chicken wings, some kimchi, and mantomas. Let's eat, and my drink is Coke. I can't wait. Let's eat, guys. Let me just drink some Coke. It's good. Okay, this is my first time to try these noodles. I've heard a lot good thing about these noodles. I think it's pronounced as jjajangmen. This is my first time trying this, so we'll see. I will try to learn how to use chopstick, but for now I'm just gonna use fork. Oh my goodness, it's so good. Oh wow. And this is instant, the one in the packet. Oh, this is so good. Ooh. No wonder people like this. Tteokbokki with cheese. Molly's next to me. She was asleep, but obviously she realized I was eating. Kimchi. It reminds me of something from the Philippines, but I cannot work it out what, but it really reminds me of something. What is it? These noodles is really good. And this is only the instant noodles. I cannot imagine how good is the fresh one, the fresh made. I love Korean food. Especially kimchi. Tteokbokki. With the fried chicken, I cook those. Fried chicken wings. So good. I compared the size of the noodles, the Korean noodles and the Filipino noodles. Our pancit canton should portion one pancit canton should portion like Korean noodles, because it is the right amount for one person. With the pancit canton, if you have one pancit canton, it's not enough, but if you have two pancit canton, it's too much. So it's kind of, you want to cook 1.5 for it to be enough to eat one person. But for Korean noodles, it's enough for one person, the one packet, because it's like it's portioned already for one person. Anyway, if it doesn't make sense, then if you see, or if you have cooked Korean noodles before, you know what I mean, because it does make sense to my head. sirahan ko ng konti yung asawa ko kasi gusto niya tikman. Tteokbokki. There is a cheese inside the rice cake. Anyway. The flavors, it's like dancing in my mouth. Guys, I'm so full now. This will be for me later on or tomorrow. And thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time sa aking video. Thank you! Bye!